Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Nana Storytime with Brenda, Lovett, and I'm Brenda Lovett or Nana. Tonight, boys and girls with my crooked little ears, it's having an issue. I'm having a little ear issue. But tonight we're going to read a story that's called Stand Back, the elephant. Stand back, said the elephant, I'm going to sneeze. And that is by Patricia and illustrated by Wallace Tripp. It's an older book. So let's see what happens. Alright. The Weekly Reader Children's Book Club presents. That's a very good book. I used to love weekly readers. Alright, here we go. Okay. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear it's clear. Oh dear, you'd better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh shoot, my book's falling apart too. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing head over tail, tumbling and bumbling. Your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. No, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway, and some of us landed so far away we didn't get back till the very next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. The last time you sneezed, even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please don't sneeze. I don't have to sneeze. With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. He's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was bare as a shear from his head to his feet. What's more, all the whales had peacock's tails, and the wings of the cockatoo were stuck on the kangaroo. You must confess it was quite a mess, very confusing and not too amusing. Even a snuffle makes our feathers ruffle. Oh, please don't sneeze. I keep rolling down here. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but I'm rolling down here. Sorry. I gotta get his chair careful. His nose is stuffed with plastic. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh no, buzzed the bees. Not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time he blew off our stings and our wings, and we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. Oh. Furthermore, what a shock. We all had to walk on our knees, if you please, and that's hard on a bee's knees. While our wings grew back on, what a sin. Oh, please don't sneeze. Oh, go back in. They were on over in. See all that? The page turned. Beware, beware, called the bees. Called the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh please, not a sneeze, said the bear. And that's not fair, I declare. The last time you sneezed, he sneezed, he blew off all my hair. All my hair. And left me so bare. I can't breathe on my nose. So bare. That's not fair, I declare. And left me no hair. I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Nothing's, oh gosh, I hate this. Nothing's so sad as a bear that is bare. The poor giraffe, don't laugh, almost bent in half, and the alligator's snout was turned inside out. The last time he sneezed, a sniff or a snuff is bad enough, but a sneeze, oh please, don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Oh, don't sneeze. My nose is keeping me from breathing. Okay. I don't suppose you could hold your nose or wait a while, asked the crocodile with a sad little smile. Oh my, do try, said the fly. We wish, said the fish, you would if you could. The last time you blew off all of our scales from our heads to our tails, and our gills got the chills. Our skin is so thin. If you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please don't sneeze. Bubba's gonna sneeze. Bubba's on his way. I hear him. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! You'll blow off my stripes and lots of the leopard spots, and all of the snakes will be tied up in knots." The hippopotamus said, "A lot of us will fall right off of our bottomus if you sneeze, so please don't sneeze." Bottomus, yeah. I'm sorry, my friend, said the elephant, about all of this. I do feel badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I'd do it gladly, but I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a bit of a tickle and even a prickle. You must run, fly, and hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. Ah! I want to fix my lip. Boo! Shouted a little gray mouse. Jumping out of his house, he stood right up on his little tiptoes, stuck out his tongue, and wiggled his nose. Eek! Shouted the elephant, jumping up in the air. That's a mouse! That's a mouse standing there! I must hide in a tree before he gets me, or jump in the lake, for goodness sake! Don't scare me! Please spare me! That would be your Nana. She's scared of a mouse. Yes, she is. Very scared. Okay, well. The mouse laughed. Oh, pooh, now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you. I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked as sure as you're standing there. Elephant, think about it, please. You completely forgot to sneeze. Well, what do you know? Laughed the elephant. That's so. It's astounding, confounding, and I live and breathe. I don't think I really have to sneeze. He began to giggle. Hee 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 hee. That's the funniest thing that has happened to me. Ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. The elephant shook from his head to his toe. He ho-hoed and ha-ha'd. He giggled and guaffed. He chortled and chuckled until his knees buckled. Maybe I have to sneeze. Oh. He sat down and rode from side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed till he cried. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees, and the stings fell off every one of the bees. The birds' feathers went flying to goodness knows where. Well, to be still, you might can see it, huh? And all of the hair fell off of the bear. The giraffe bent in half, and the alligator's snout turned inside out. The fish lost their scales from their heads to their tails. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! There go my stripes!" while the hippo went thump right on his plump. You know what? Bumper. And into a puddle the mouse went kerplop. Then he sat up and shouted, "This simply must stop. We're terribly glad you don't have to sneeze, but if you must laugh, laugh softly. Oh, elephant, please. And that was the elephant that had to sneeze. And that was a very good book, and that was by Patricia Thomas and illustrated by Wallace Tripp. That's a very good book. And hopefully I don't have to sneeze, nor do you. But I love you guys. If you can hear me, I love you guys. And Nana and the elephant are going to go back here and take care of our sneezing issue. And I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.